Orientation. We're back at stage S3, deploy and supply, but this is the Defenders episode, the answer to the attack we drew in 05-02. The whole thing rests on one idea. You cannot secure or recall a supply chain you cannot list. So first we build the list, an AIBOM, then we turn it into gates, sign and verify every artifact, scan model files, and fail closed on anything unsigned or unlisted. AIBOM and model signing, knowing what's actually in your AI. S3 Supply, the Defender's answer to last episode's attack. You can't secure what you can't enumerate. Do you know every model, dataset, package, and tool your AI actually loaded? The exact versions, the hashes? Around your app, 6 unknowns float in red. That's the gap. If you can't list it, you can't verify it. And if one link is found compromised tomorrow, you can't even recall it. That is exactly the gap last episode's supply chain attack walked through. The fix starts with a list. An AIBOM is an SBOM extended to AI, every model, dataset, package, and MCP server with version and hash. Now you know what's actually loaded. Each artifact carries a signature. Before load, pin the hash and verify the signature, exactly the same move as package signing. Signature checks out, it passes the gate. Then scan the model file itself. Some formats run code on load, so catch unsafe deserialization before it ever executes. Verified, then scanned, then it loads. Zero Trust ties it together. Allow known good, block everything else. Signed and listed in the AIBOM, it loads. Unsigned or unlisted fails closed. It does not load. Now replay last episode's supply chain attack. The tampered model and the rogue MCP server from attacker.example hit the verify gate. Both flip red, held outside the boundary. Neither loads. When an artifact is found compromised, the AIBOM is your recall path. You know exactly where it ran and what to pull or repin. Provenance plus recall. That is the payoff of enumerating. 4 moves: enumerate with an AIBOM, sign and verify, scan the model file, fail closed. That is a supply chain you can actually defend and recall. Only verified artifacts cross the boundary. Everything unsigned or unlisted fails closed at the door. Inside, signed, listed, scanned. You know what's actually in your AI. Next, hand that verified model tools and autonomy, and you're at the agent stage, excessive agency. Break it on the board, not in prod. So, first enumerate. An AI bill of materials lists every model, dataset, package, and MCP server with its version and hash. That list becomes your defense. Sign and verify every artifact before load. Scan model files for unsafe deserialization, and fail closed on anything unsigned or unlisted. Allow known good, block everything else. And when something you depend on is found compromised, the AIBOM is your recall path. You know exactly what to pull.